Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure stress on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So as you guys can see, you need to have it strapped to your hand, otherwise it would have just laid down. But we need to go to apps, and here we need to find the stress. So let's click measure now. And now we need to keep the band still and facing upwards. So I cannot do anything now, I'll just need to keep still and keep the band touching your screen. It's touching. Now as you guys can see, it'll measure for a while. It shouldn't take long though. It's a very short process, I think around 15 to 20 seconds or even less. So all we gotta do is just keep still, wait, and check our results after. So it should be done any second now.